Drying and styling your hair is so much easier when you section it first. Let me show you how to take 3 easy sections that's going to make your styling perfect every time. Whether you're starting with damp hair to blow dry or dry hair to style, I recommend simply taking 3 sections. Starting with the first section, using your comb, or if you don't have a comb, using your finger. Take a section starting at the temple on one side, around to the temple on the other, making sure that your sections are neat and tidy, and this will ensure a neat and tidy styling finish or blow dry finish. Simply taking that section, combing this hair up, twisting, and using a butterfly clip or any sort of clip you have, sectioning that hair away. Now with your next section, you simply take this section from the top of one ear, using your comb again to separate the top of one ear, working your way around to the top of the other ear. And this is going to be your midsection. So we're going to comb this back up. Again, twist, and clip this also up out of the way. And this is now your base section and the first section that you'll start styling on. If you're blow drying, I'd recommend splitting into 2 and doing 1 round each side. Or for when you're actually straightening or curling, you'll split into smaller sections depending on your desired result. For more styling tips and to learn how to style your hair at home, go to the Sassoon YouTube channel.